Hey friends, this is Miss Darwin and today we're going to be talking about number bonds. This is very similar to when we talked about part whole, and this will be getting us ready for addition soon, which is very exciting. So we're going to complete these number bonds together, and you can use your number bond mats and your blocks with you while you watch the video. Okay, so let's move to the first one. So right here we have the number 2. And we have the number 3, and we have to figure out what our whole number is. So that is what goes in our big circle. So to do this, I'm going to use my blocks, and I'm going to move 2 here. And then I'm going to move 3 here. Okay, now we're going to count them all together to see what our whole number would be. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number goes here? If you said 5, you are correct. And you should have 5 on your number bond that you are doing. Okay, let's move to the next one. All right, so now we have the number 1 and the number 4. So we're going to move our blocks to go with that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to give you some time to count. I'm going to see if you get the same as me. All right, did you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If you did, you are correct, and 5 goes here for your whole number on your number bond. So we now know that 1 and 4 makes 5, our whole number. Alright, moving on to the next one. This one looks a little bit different, doesn't it? We have our whole number, and we have one of our part numbers, but we're missing another one. So we have to see what that is. So I'm going to make sure that I have 5 cubes for my 5 whole number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to need to go ahead and get your 5 cubes out. Okay, so now we are going to move and put our cubes where they go. If you need to pause it at any time, make sure you do that. So I'm going to move 3 cubes over here since I have the number 3. And then I'm going to see what's left. So I have 1, 2 left. So what number is going to go here? If you said 2, you are right. So now I know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, let's do one more together. Okay, this one kind of looks like what we just did. We have our whole number 5 given to us, and we have one of our parts in our number bond. We have the number 1 here. So I'm going to make sure I have 5 cubes, and you can get yours out too. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I know that's my whole. And now I know one of my parts is 1, so I'm going to move 1 cube over here for 1. And then I have to see how many are left to put over here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 over here, so I need to write the number 4 in my number bond circle. And now I know that 4 and 1 make 5. Or we could say 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, feel free to go back and do any of these on your own again, and we will get ready to practice whole group soon. Good job, everyone.